Dear students, now we are going to discuss about advertisement. Advertisement is a paid, non-personal public communication about causes, goods and services, ideas, organizations, people and places through means such as direct mail, telephone, print media like newspapers and magazines, radio, television and internet. The content of advertisement is brief, words are limited and sentences not necessarily grammatically correct. A brief description of products or services advertised and address, phone number, email must be included in the advertisements. Points to be remembered. So following points should be remembered while writing advertisement. Advertisement should be written in short phrase and words. The language of advertisement should be simple, concise, factual, and formal. Advertisement should attract the readers to go through them. The advertisement language that should be meaningful and should be interesting. The language of advertise should be an simple and effective. The advertisement should always be brief and to the point. The name of the advertiser and the advertised product or service should be properly highlighted in the advertisement. Types of advertisements. There are two types of advertisements are there. One is classified and another one is commercial advertisements. Classified advertisements divide into several categories. Classified advertisements are brief to the point, as the advertiser is charged per word and per column line. And commercial advertisements are designed for commercial purposes. They are used by leading manufacturers, establishments, organizations, etc. for publicity and promotion of their products, services, or events. And these are the following types of classified advertisements: situations vacant, wanted, sale and purchase, too late advertisements, missing, lost and found, tours and travel, matrimonial alliance, educational advertisements, and change of name and address advertisements. This is the format of advertisement. First, give a heading. The category or type should be mentioned, whether it is a wanted or required or situation vacant. Then mention the post and the number of vacancies, and then qualification, experience, and then you have to mention the pay scale, the salary, details of salary, and you have to mention the name of the organization and the mode of the application, then finally contact details of the organization. So this is all the simple format for writing situation vacant advertisement. So these are all the information should be mentioned in the advertisement. Dear students, see the example here. This is example for wanted. Here the heading was given wanted, after that post advertised. So for what post they have advertised: qualified professors and assistant professors for the Department of English, Physics and Mathematics. And then after that qualification and experience, details of experience, then salary details, after that the name of the organization and the contact details of the organization was given. This is the example for wanted advertisement. Dear students, I hope you all understand what is advertisement and types of advertisement and the format of advertisement, and follow the proper format for writing advertisement and get good marks. Thank you, children.